What if I told you that right now, today, there are cars sitting on used car lots that are mechanically superior to a Camry, identical under the hood to a Lexus, and built with German precision, selling for half the price? Not because they're lemons, not because there's something wrong with them, but because nobody knows what they actually are. That's about to change. I spent hours with my mechanic, a guy who's run his own shop for 25 years, who sees hundreds of cars every single month, and who knows exactly which ones keep coming back for repairs and which ones never show up again. He handed me a short list. I dug into the data. Every single car checked out. These are legitimate, rock-solid daily drivers capable of 300,000 miles on basic maintenance, selling for half of what a Civic or Camry costs. Stay until the end. I've got 2 bonus cars that are absolute steals. Let's get into it. Number 4, Buick Regal GS. The German car nobody knows is German. Most people under 50 won't even glance at a Buick, and that's exactly why this is an opportunity. Here's the secret the market has completely missed. This car was built in Germany by Opel. It shares its platform with the Opel Insignia, a European executive sedan. You're getting German engineering, German suspension geometry, and German assembly quality. But here's where it gets interesting. Instead of pairing that German body with a complex, over-engineered German engine, the kind that hands you a $4,000 repair bill the moment a sensor sneezes, Buick dropped in GM's proven 3.6-liter LGX V6. Simple, under-stressed, sorted. By 2018, GM had completely eliminated the timing chain issues that plagued the early 2010-2012 versions. No turbos, no intercoolers, no drama. And the transmission? The all-wheel drive GS models use an 8-speed automatic from Aisin, a Japanese supplier that also builds transmissions for Toyota. Let that sink in. German body, GM engine, Toyota-grade transmission. You can pick one up for $15,000 to $20,000. A comparable BMW 3 Series, $30,000 plus. And that BMW will cost you twice as much to maintain every single year. The Regal GS is what happens when 3 of the world's great automotive traditions collide, and nobody shows up to the auction. Number 3, Mazda 3, 2014 to 2018. The compact that quietly crushes the competition. The Honda Civic gets the headlines, the Toyota Corolla gets the reputation, and the Mazda 3 quietly outperforms both while selling for thousands less. Here's why this car is mechanically brilliant. While Honda and Toyota were chasing fuel economy numbers with CVTs and tiny turbocharged engines running at full stress every single day, Mazda made a different call. They kept a proven 2.5-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder paired with a conventional 6-speed automatic. But the engineering detail that sets this apart? That 6-speed has a torque converter that locks up almost immediately after 5 miles per hour. Most automatics keep slipping, creating heat, destroying fluid, killing the transmission slowly over time. Mazda's locks directly to the engine, keeping temperatures dramatically lower and extending transmission life by years. The engine runs a 13:1 compression ratio, higher than most performance cars, delivering real fuel economy without a single turbo seal to fail or intercooler to replace. And it runs on regular 87 octane. Consumer Reports gave the 2014 to 2018 Mazda 3 powertrain a perfect 5 out of 5 for reliability. My mechanic buddy told me flat out, whenever one of these shows up at his shop, there's nothing wrong with it. Oil changes, brake pads, tires. That's the list. A 2017 Mazda 3 with 60,000 miles, $10,000 to $12,000. A same-year Honda Civic with similar mileage, $14,000 to $16,000. That's a $4,000 gap for a car that demands less maintenance money and handles better than anything else in its class. If driving actually matters to you, this is your car. Number 2, Mazda 6, 2015 to 2017. The midsize sedan that time forgot, and your wallet will thank you for. Let me tell you about a car that rolled into my buddy's shop with 167,000 miles on it. 2016 Mazda 6, original owner. Drove it for 8 straight years. They put it on the lift, checked the suspension, checked the brakes, scanned for codes, inspected the undercarriage, pulled the transmission fluid. Zero red flags. The factory spark plugs still had usable life left. He told the owner to come back in another 30,000 miles. This is not a fluke. This is what happens when an automaker makes the right engineering decisions from the start. No CVT, no dual-clutch transmission, no tiny turbocharged engine screaming under constant highway load. Just Mazda's proven 2.5-liter Skyactiv 4-cylinder with a conventional 6-speed automatic that simply works. Here's the value gap that's almost offensive. A 2017 Mazda 6 Touring with 70,000 miles runs $12,000 to $14,000. A same-year Toyota Camry SE with matching mileage, $17,000 to $19,000. That's a $5,000 to $7,000 premium for a car my mechanic says demands more maintenance spending over its lifetime. Now, here's a pro tip within the pro tip. A significant portion of 2015 to 2017 Mazda 6s were assembled at Mazda's Hofu plant in Japan, one of the most quality-controlled automotive facilities on the planet. You can identify them by VINs starting with J. One more thing. In 2018, Mazda added cylinder deactivation to the engine. It works fine, but it means extra components, hydraulic lifters, solenoids, that can eventually wear. The 2015 to 2017 models don't have that system. Nothing extra to break. If you want the purest, most bulletproof version, stick with those years. Number 1. Toyota Avalon, 4th generation. The Lexus nobody realized they could afford. This is the one my mechanic pushes harder than anything else on this list. Here's the situation. There is a full-size Toyota sedan on the market right now with the exact same drivetrain as the Lexus ES350. Same platform, same 3.5-liter V6, same 6-speed automatic, built on the same assembly line. It's called the Avalon, and it's trading for $5,000 to $8,000 less than the Lexus because the average buyer is 67 years old and younger shoppers refuse to be seen in one. That is one of the most irrational pricing gaps in the entire used car market. The engine, the 2GR2 FE V6, is arguably the most bulletproof 6-cylinder Toyota has ever manufactured. It's been running in everything from the Camry to the Lexus RX to the Toyota Sienna since 2005. 2 decades of real-world proof across millions of vehicles. No direct injection carbon issues. No timing belt, it uses a chain. No turbo, it just operates. The numbers: 2016 Avalon XLE, 80,000 miles, $14,000 to $16,000. 2016 Lexus ES350, identical mileage, $21,000 to $24,000. 2016 Camry XLE V6, matching mileage, $15,000 to $17,000. Actually more expensive, smaller car, fewer features. The most frequent maintenance item? Brake pads, $280 for all 4 corners. Transmission fluid service, $180. Water pump, if it ever gives out past 200,000 miles, $650. That is the entire maintenance reality of this vehicle. And here's the move that separates smart buyers from everyone else. Find one previously owned by an elderly driver. They garage their cars religiously. They complete every service on time. They drive conservatively. A grandma's Avalon with 60,000 miles is, functionally, a brand new car. If I had one shot to buy a single used car under $15,000 and drive it for the next decade with the absolute lowest total cost of ownership, I'd grab an Avalon without a second thought. Bonus car number 1. 2018 Chevrolet Impala. 305 horsepower. Police proven. Priced like a compact. I'm laser focused on 2018 specifically, and here's why. The Impala's 3.6-liter LFX V6 had a real problem in its early years. Timing chain failures in the 2010 to 2012 models gave this engine a bad reputation it's been carrying ever since. By 2018, GM had completely eliminated those failures, hardened chains, redesigned oil flow. The problem is gone. The reputation remained. That's your buying opportunity. The result? 305 horsepower. 0 to 60 in 6.7 seconds, full-size sedan room, and a 6-speed automatic with a drain plug, meaning transmission fluid changes are as simple as an oil change. This car served as the preferred choice for police fleets and rental companies, environments specifically designed to destroy vehicles. My mechanic has personally witnessed multiple LFX Impalas exceeding 200,000 miles without major mechanical failures. One owner documented 225,000 miles on a 2012 and reported it felt identical to day one. You can find 2018 Impalas with 60,000 to 80,000 miles for $15,000 to $18,000. One thing to schedule: intake valve cleaning every 40,000 miles due to the direct injection system. It costs around $200 and prevents carbon buildup from affecting performance. Do that, and this car will run almost indefinitely. Bonus car number 2, Hyundai Genesis Sedan, 2012 to 2016. Korea's secret attempt to beat BMW, and it worked. Hyundai built this car to challenge the Mercedes E-Class and the BMW 5 Series. They wanted to prove they belonged in the luxury arena, so they did something extraordinary. They over-engineered it.